Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock your personal vault in OneDrive on Windows 11. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to access your most sensitive files safely and easily using Microsoft's built-in security features. If you've ever wondered how to get into your personal vault or you just want to make sure you're doing it right, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. First, we need to open OneDrive. On Windows 11, this couldn't be simpler. Go ahead and open up your File Explorer. Just click the folder icon down in your taskbar. Once File Explorer opens, you should see OneDrive listed on the left sidebar, often right under this PC or Quick Access. Click on OneDrive to open up all your files that are synced to the cloud. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to scroll a little or expand your folders. Think of this like opening the main door before you get to the private room. Your personal vault lives inside your OneDrive folder. Now inside your OneDrive, look for the Personal Vault icon. It literally looks like a little safe, gray with a dial on the door. Double-click on it to open. If this is your first time, it might ask you a few introductory security questions, but don't worry, that's just Microsoft making sure you're you. Each time you want to access your vault, this step ensures that your most private and important documents are kept extra secure. It's kind of like having a second lock on your diary. At this point, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Microsoft gives you a few options here, and you can choose whatever is most convenient for you. You might see the Microsoft Authenticator app, receiving a code via text message or a code sent to your email. Let's say you pick the text code. Simply click that option and then wait a few seconds for the code to hit your phone. Enter that code into the prompt and you're in. If you go with the Authenticator app, just approve the sign-in request on your device. Or if you use email, the code shows up there. Check your inbox and type it in. This verification process is a crucial step. It's what protects your vault from anyone else trying to snoop around. It might feel like an extra hoop to jump through, but that's actually a really good thing. For example, if your laptop ever gets lost or stolen, your personal documents in the vault are still locked up tight behind this second layer of security. So don't rush it and don't worry if there's a tiny delay while you get your code. These few moments of patience are what keep your sensitive information protected. Once you've verified using your chosen method, your personal vault pops open and you'll have full access to anything you've stored there, whether it's sensitive financial documents, copies of your passport, or anything else you want to keep extra safe. You can drag files in, open, edit, or move documents just like with other OneDrive folders. And when you're done, your vault will lock automatically after a short period of inactivity, or you can manually lock it for extra security, so you never have to worry about accidentally leaving it open. That's all there is to it. Following these steps means you can always unlock your personal vault in OneDrive securely on Windows 11, and know that your most important files are well protected. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments. I do read them. And for more simple, clear tutorials like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.